Today I'm gonna set up a trampoline. This is box 2 of 2. This is box 1 of 1. So I use a wheelbarrow to move it. It's much easier. It's 70 pounds each. So let's see. Okay, let's open the box. Whoa. I think this is the top. So let me remove the top. I mean, this could be the top or the top. I think these are the cushions, the foam protectors. Move that in here. Oh, here's the metal thing that protects them. Ooh, instruction manual. Trampoline instructions. Okay, let's see. Ooh, check this out. They show you how to use, how to jump. Oh boy, this gives me a headache. Let's go look at box number 2 and see what they have. Okay, let's open box number 2. Wow. What's this? A little ball? Oh yeah, you can play basketball inside. Oh man. Oh, I think the majority of the parts are right here. Well, I'm just gonna leave this box right here, right now. Box 2 of 2, because box 1 of 1 has the instructions. You are not kidding me. This pad is like 20 yards by 20 yards. I think I get the idea. This blue one is the skirt, and this big black piece is the jumping mat. I have 6 sets right here connected. I believe these will make the circle. Those circles earlier form an arch, and I think this is going to be the stand. Well, the frame has been formed. I just put all the 6 pieces or 6 pairs of foundation here. Big. Ooh. See how tall it is. It's gonna be like 3 feet tall off the ground. Well, here I'm just snapping these hooks into the jumping, I guess, fabric or whatever you call it, the bottom, the centerpiece. There's so many of them. These are the springs. Nah.
Huh?
Here is every other 8. It's so much easier if you do it that way instead of 1 by 1. To begin with, you want to hook, every other 2, and then every other 1, and then before that, try to start with every other 3, and then every other 2, and then every other 1, and then every 1. I'll show you. Here, as you can see, I hook every other spring instead of hooking every one, which is impossible to do. This one of springs. Oh, this is the most difficult task. I don't have any springs. So when you finish aligning the springs, just make sure that the zipper right here, extremely important, lines up to a pole right in the middle. If otherwise, it's not gonna line up and the zipper gate is gonna be tilted. That's what happened to mine. So guys, remember, very, very important. That's the takeaway number 2. The takeaway number 1, which I mentioned earlier, is to start with like every other 5th springs, and then every other 4, and then every other 2, 3, and then 2, and then 1. Don't skip it, because if you do, you're going to be so frustrated. You just cannot tie the springs to the rims. Here, I just put on the. I feel like just close. Maybe the protection. I'm putting the. Whoa! Trampoline is ready. Can you guys see it? Only 2 of the poles or legs have safety signs, so it's good to have them by the gate. You know, safety is first. Alright, it's the final walk.
Play Pokemon Go!
The key thing I want to share with you guys is on the pole, you should line it up with a strap, an outer strap, and inner strap. Let me show you one that has no inner strap. Like this one right here has an outer strap but no inner strap, and this one has an inner strap but no outer strap. So anyway, again, the takeaway, whenever there's a leg, or I keep calling it pole, make sure it has one right here and one on the opposite. So that's for the leg. We got a little basketball. That's fine. Let's see, this is model SWJD15B.